This is the smartphone Xiaomi Redmi 13C, a cheap smartphone but with great potential for most users. And today I'm going to show you everything about this smartphone. But first, subscribe to the channel because I bring new products every week, and give a like to the video. Let's start by seeing what comes inside the box, because I suspect it doesn't come with a power charger, because the box is so thin. So it has the smartphone, information papers, and the USB Type-A to USB Type-C cable for charging and data. Some negative aspects are that, despite saying that it supports 18-watt fast charging, it doesn't include the charger for that, only includes a USB cable, and then the customer has to buy the charger. Let's talk about the specifications of the Xiaomi Redmi 13C. This smartphone has a 6.74-inch screen with resolution of 720 by 1600 pixels with Corning Gorilla Glass protection, with a processor MediaTek Helio G85, 4 or 8 GB of RAM memory, and 128 or 256 GB of storage. It measures 168 mm height, 78 mm wide, and 8.1 mm thick, and weighs 192 grams. It has a 50 megapixel rear camera that records 1080p video at 30 fps and a 2 megapixel macro camera. The front camera is 8 megapixels and records video in 1080p at 30 fps. Physically has a USB Type-C connection, a 3.5mm audio plug, a fingerprint reader on the power button, and supports one microSD card and 2 nano SIM cards. It has the wireless connectivity Wi-Fi 5, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, NFC, and FM radio. The battery has the capacity of 5000 mAh with 18-watt charging, and the battery cannot be removed. But first, let's remove this protective film that protects all the smartphone all around, which I have to remove it, and it's glued on the back. I just have to rip it. And this smartphone has a 6.74-inch screen with a front camera. At the top there is a headphone connection with a 3.5mm plug, and at the bottom it has a USB Type-C connection for charging a microphone and speakers. There is a slot where you can put a SIM card and a micro SD. And here you have the buttons. You have the power button, which has a fingerprint reader, and the buttons to control the volume. On the back, it's the main camera. Here it uses a 3-camera system. It has a 50 megapixel 4K camera, an ultra-wide angle camera, and also a macro camera. And it also has a flash to light up photos. And that's the camera system, which uses a large round area on the back, despite having small lens with a small sensor. The screen of the smartphone is 6.74 inches, but you can see that the screen doesn't even reach the edge of the smartphone, and it's curved in all 4 corners. You can see that it has a bezel of a few millimeters right on the curved part, and below that size is even bigger, about 5 millimeters thick, but it's curved on all corners, creating a nice look. Let's now see what type of cards this smartphone supports, how many SIM cards, and also microSD cards for data. Now you just have to pull, and you pull it completely perpendicular, because it's a long piece of plastic. That this slot has space for 2 SIM cards and also a microSD card. Then you can put all the cards in the smartphone. Simply reinsert the support with all of the cards in the slot in the same position. And so I confirm that this smartphone is compatible with microSD cards and 2 nano SIM cards. For now, I'm going to put the support without the cards, Just insert and push until it fits. But later, it will be possible to put a microSD card for storage or 1 or 2 nano SIM cards for a cell phone operator. I hope you like this smartphone, and I will make more videos about this, but I also have more smartphones to show you. But now, subscribe to the channel because I post new videos every week, like the video to support the channel, and if you have any questions, write in the comments.